Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to set power mode in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Using Windows settings, press Windows key +I on your keyboard, or right-click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on System. Scroll down and click on Power and Sleep in the System settings. Under Power Mode, you'll see a slider that allows you to choose between different power modes. Best energy saving, saves the most battery, ideal for extending battery life. Balanced, offers a mix of performance and battery life, suitable for everyday tasks. Best performance, maximizes speed and power, best for demanding tasks like gaming or video editing. Using Control Panel, press Windows key + on your keyboard, or right-click on the Start button and select Run. Type powercfg.cpl and hit Enter. Under Preferred Plans, select one of the following options: Balanced, Power Saver, or High Performance. Note, if you select the Power Plan, Power Saver, or High Performance from the Control Panel, the Power Mode option in the Windows settings will be disabled. If you select Balanced, it will be enabled. Once you complete these steps, your device's performance or battery power consumption will adjust according to the selected power mode. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.